Today we're going to talk about concrete logs. I will share a concrete log that I have developed in the past, or one that was probably provided to me, and it is so good. They have the resident engineers develop a concrete log, and it takes up so much time. So what I recommend as an owner's project manager to get that concrete log either in the contract or in the RFS for the materials testing agency. Usually people just hire the concrete materials testing agency, and they really don't have any discussion before they're hired. They just sort of scramble and then hire them. But I think that there needs to be conversations as far as the people that we hire to take the cylinders and do the air entrainment and do the dry density tests and the nuclear tests, which are instantaneous dry density. And so the concrete log can be provided to the materials testing agency. And it is so good because they are sitting in their car for a certain amount of time, so they may as well focus on the trucks coming in, starting the concrete placement, ending the concrete placement, and doing the washout. There's plenty of time for them to track that information. And also, we need to get the concrete testing companies on board. They're all certified by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, but the information they provide really isn't that helpful. So what I do, since I don't have time to watch concrete trucks come in and out all day, I do like spot checks, and I'll request the concrete slips and hopefully compare them, and then see where things are deficient, and then report it to the construction manager, which they usually don't correct because they don't know the importance of these concrete logs and collecting all this data. So there's hot weather concreting and there's cold weather concreting, and that is in their submittals, and what they submit on as far as their methods should match what's in the field, and it rarely ever is. Your project seemed to have some concrete issues, pun intended, I guess. The concrete issues were, I don't think I want to talk about the concrete issues. I think I want to talk about the benefits for doing this. Something major. Oh, the concrete slips did not match the design mix. And this is the first, this is project that I was on. It has concrete issues, and it doesn't match the design mix. And the internet understands that the mix, what's submitted, has to match the design mix that was approved by the engineer, the structural engineer. And the way to figure out if everything's okay is to do coring, and there's some other tests. But I observed a lot of crazing, which means there was either too much water, I think too much water, or not enough water, and there was a lot of evaporation. So it creates that. So, and then there were huge cracks, and that was caused probably from not heating the area, so they heaved. It was extremely cold, and the cracks were over 1/8 of an inch, so that's a structural issue. These slab-on grades are structural. Same with the walls. The walls had a lot of vertical cracks and water coming through them. And personally, I wouldn't even buy a home if it had cracks in the concrete like that. When water comes into the building, it creates moisture and mildew, and I don't know. I'm sorry. I guess I just wanted to get that off my chest, but I'll try to redo this video. I don't want to sound too authoritative, and I don't think I am, but so that's it. Have a great night.